traction slide. Now, not every deck will have this, but I think a lot of people think, well, I don't have any traction, so I can't put the slide in, but there's ways that you could do it. So tell a story with specific numbers over time. You don't just want to give them your current numbers. You want to talk about how it's trending. They want to see, because they're going to ask for that anyway. Once they invest, they want to see trends. So if you look here, if you're in the building phase, you can say, look, and I remember when we launched Flavors in 2008, we had, 15,000 people on the waiting list or whatever it was. And my partner, Jonathan, hit the wrong button and sent out all 15,000 emails at 9:00 at night, crashed the whole app. And then we had to get our developer. He was in the gym and like, we're all freaking out and sweaty and it was terrible. Right. But it was a waiting list. Those are the funny things that happen. You did 400 interviews with the market, or you have 100 pre-sales. Those are numbers that you can use. And you can say like, look, we started here and here's how the waiting list numbers are growing. If you're launched, you can talk about trial signups, downloads, engagement growing. You're talking about this kind of stuff. You can go back and look at this slide, but this will help you kind of say, I want to see trends. I want to see numbers over time and how it's tracking. Because if I say I have a 20% conversion rate, well, was it 18% 5 years ago? Or where was it a year ago?